I just bought this camper for $1. I am on a journey to take $1 and turn it into my attainable dream car, the Datsun 240Z. Now, we've been doing this with a lot of different side hustles, like picking up free things off the side of the road to resell, to buying abandoned storage units and flipping the contents on places like eBay, whatnot, and Facebook Marketplace. And we have found some crazy stuff. And with this $1, we were able to pick up this 2022 Forest and River Wildwood Extra Light. So why do we have this on the channel? Why did we buy this? Yeah, it's an RV. Yeah, you use it for vacations. What the heck does this have to do with buying your dream car? Two little words, my friend: RV rentals. We are going to be using this RV as a tool to bring in more income and hopefully skyrocket the amount of money that we get to put towards the Datsun and hopefully get it done a lot sooner. So let's take a look inside of this thing and we'll show you what it features and kind of give you a little idea of what we're thinking of doing here. So let me put the wide angle lens on for this here so you guys can see even better. Boom. All right, so we're about to step inside, but while we're going in here, let's kind of talk about what we're thinking. And RV rental is not a new industry. It's been around for years and years and years. We've had friends that have been successful doing it, and we're excited to give it a try ourselves. So this has a bunkhouse, so it has two twin size beds, so you can technically fit 2 people here, 2 people there. The dinette, oh, my wife said full size, my bad, full size. And the dinette here is converted into a bed currently, but you know, you take these, pop them over here. This one goes over here, that's upside down. And you can then take this out and convert this into a table, just like this. Boom, and boom. We got ourselves a table. Ta-da! This also flips out into a full-size bed, so you can fit 2 more people there. You have a fireplace that actually throws heat. You can change colors, all this stuff, along with lots of different storage. It already came, this was a used unit, and it came with a wall mount for a TV already, which is a huge plus, because getting those things installed, I heard, is a pain. Over here we have the kitchen. We have a lot of the windows. A reason why we got this layout in this year is because there's a lot of natural lighting. We got our cabinetry space up here. We got ourselves a microwave here. We got a stovetop and oven, which is propane. We got ourselves a really nice sized fridge and freezer. So that's really nice. Check out the size of the pantry. Nice size pantry. And then check this out. I love this. Here's the bathroom. It's a separate bathroom. Nice full position. But then you can go outside and boom, there's the great outdoors. And there is your toilet. So you can just do your business and enjoy the great outdoors. And then coming back into the main area, you can go to the bedroom, which is, you know, this is where the magic happens. We got ourselves a full queen size bed here. Actually, it might be like one of these short queens. I don't know. It is nice though. We got ourselves a wall mount for a TV here as well, along with power and cable hookups. This does have AC and heat, and again, a lot of nice windows. Now, I know this seems random, especially for an automotive channel, and I know it's kind of drifting into like, you know, side hustles and stuff, but let's be honest here. Let me be very honest. When it comes to creating car content, you need a lot of money to afford these cars, to afford modifications. I'm not one of those YouTubers that buys a car and then sells it 6 months later and, you know, gets a loan on it. I own my cars outright. And I feel like there's a lot of people out there that don't have the budget or the credit to, you know, purchase an expensive car and just get all these monthly payments, especially in today's economy. But maybe you have a cherished car that you've had. Maybe you got a good deal on it. Maybe, you know, it was a family member's car, one car that you've inherited, something that's special to you, and then it's not exactly expensive, but you need some money to do the things that you want and to carry on that passion. And in this day and age, it's a very, very hard thing to do. Now, I know it looks like I bought this RV and I've got tons of money stacked up and I must be rich. I'm really not. This is probably one of the most inexpensive RV campers that you can get, and you only put a couple of grand down, which I was able to save up through flipping items from abandoned storage units. And if you guys haven't seen those videos, you should check them out. It's a lot of work that goes into it, but I'm kind of trying to show you guys that there are avenues to make a little side money so that you can continue on with your passions, with your car projects, your dreams, whatever, however corny that is, I get it. But I love cars. I don't want to ever sell my cars. I don't want to ever be in that position. So I have to fight. I have to dig deep, and I have to put the effort out there. And this is a giant step. This is a risk, but because this is a towable trailer, it's a trailer that's not, I mean, trailers go up to 70,000, 200,000. I mean, the big drivable buses, some of them are $4 or $5 million. It's really crazy. This is a small investment. Like you can see in the budget, we spent around $2,500 for this unit, and the monthly payments are about $300. And that's going to be factored into the budget. So, whenever we rent it out, we're going to be adding that into the budget. And whenever we have a payment for the RV, we're also going to be subtracting that from the budget. So that's why you're going to see some fluctuations in the numbers. I won't be able to kind of pinpoint everything as it comes in because the videos are a little bit out of order. But just so that you guys know, this is the current budget right now. We have a bunch of stuff to sell, to sell still from storage units. We're rocking on Whatnot. We've been selling thousands of items on there for, a couple dollars a piece. And if you guys want to check that out, feel free to check out the link down below. And if you use my code, you get a couple dollars free. And, otherwise, just coming out to hang out in the shows are a lot of fun. So we've been successful with that. We're really liking that. And we're excited to get into this world of renting RVs. We probably won't be posting a ton about the process of renting RVs. Maybe when we have some more time under our belt, we can give you kind of some reviews and tell you if it's worth it or whatever. We'll kind of have a recap. If you guys want to see some more videos like this, drop it in the comments and just let us know what you guys want to see. We will be making more car content soon. I know we haven't in a while, and that's because it's been winter here in Connecticut and my car has been garaged. But now that it's coming up to May, the car will be out before you know it, and we will be making more car content on the Z, hopefully the G35, and maybe some on the Tundra as well if you guys are interested in that. But until then, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you following this journey from $1 to a Datsun, and I hope you're as excited as I am for this RV adventure, because this could be potentially a really good revenue stream for us, and hopefully it will help funnel money into the Datsun project, and we will have a Datsun hopefully by the end of the year. That's wishful thinking, but I think if we really put our nose to the grindstone and just keep digging away, I think we might get there. So again, I couldn't do this without your support, and I just really appreciate you guys coming from the bottom of my heart. So thank you so much for that. I will see you guys on the next video. I think, if I know right, it's going to be a doozy when it comes to what we got for a storage unit. So I look forward to that. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much.